Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulukular ban Shim Jingjap ke beteng persya ya gitu ke bapen kan yiken don an bat ke badan keti ke Jingjap ke besngosi Lapalang Shillong ke bal Shim ke Jing jong kinong tribela ke bayap na ke Jingyo ring mensiem ya ke tedam generator kat bakidang pom na ke pung Habakran kinong to kubor Menteri Rangba ula kedo bag sarkar kan map igi bapen kan an bat kan penstom teng ki namar ki klembot igi jing perkeng ke badan lupa Show ule tho bakine gilanot ki degi bawan ki longyeng ki badok bak sarkar kana kami benia gilat klenti ban ai jingerap ya ki longyeng jo kini kala klat wala ki kendon ka disaster management ke sarkar kim kentup yakum kini ki jingja menteri rangba ula benrap ru bu ula yo opdiang ya ki sti jingkerpat ni ki dekhot benginong trei ka seng NPP ni ki constituency beper kentup nado kanong thema unit bat ki wei degi unit ban kentu ke sarkar ban ajingerap ban ula kular ban sa Shim mekarai ban ajingerap haba perkat lem ke jinglong jingman ba ke jingkerdo jong kini gilong jiang.
Action will be taken against those who are doing this. There were rules, laws, and certain things were prohibited. Individuals who are not following those prohibitions are breaking the laws, breaking the rule. Appropriate action will be taken against them. And also, we are examining that there are some requirements because they are all from very economically weak section of society, those who passed away. So therefore, we are looking at ways in which we can give some support. So I'm examining. I had received a letter yesterday from some of the party members from the National People's Party. The Nongthamai unit had written to me, and so did other units from even from if I'm not wrong, I think one was from Krim, and one more was there were two more from a different constituency. So all the constituency party units have written to me. So I'm examining and seeing how we can help. The problem is that under the disaster management, there is no provision to support in accidents which happen like this. But as I said, because they are from very poor background, I will examine the matter and then I'll take a decision.